12वीच्या परीक्षेचे वेळापत्र जाहीर केले. 28 ते 18 मार्चपर्यंत परीक्षा. अंदू खंय सुमार 19,000 भुरगे परीक्षा दितले. जनरल स्ट्रिमीच्यो परीक्षा खंय जॉग्रफी पेपरान सुरू. दुसरो पेपर भाशेचो.
So the main examination starts from 28 February 2024. The examination starts from the 9:30 to 12:30. The first paper is Geography 4551, and for Divyanga student it is 4557 on the same date. Last paper is 18th March 2024. So, and vocational stream paper starts from 28th February, 9:30 to 12:30. This is the timing. English communication skill is the first paper. 4201. This is for general, and then 4203 is for special children. They will finish their exam by 12th March 2024. Practical examination, this is scheduled from 1st of Feb 2024, and vocational also it commences. This is audit for the regular student. It starts from 1st of Feb 2024. So also NSQF subjects, the practicals will start from 7th Feb 2024. All the instructions they are given here. Any notification if it is there, the student should refer only the official website of the board or the app GBSHSC. They can download it, and they will get all these notifications. Slight change here which we have done compared to the last year's examinations. The 80 marks paper, now the students will have to answer in, they can answer in 3 hours. Earlier it was 2.5 hours. So also 2.5 hours paper of 70 marks. Tentatively we have got the statistics. About 19,000 students will be appearing for class 12. 19,000 students. This is for general stream as well as for vocational stream.
प्रोडंटा खातीर साहिल मांद्रेकार.